Hello foodies, welcome to my channel Quarantine Cooking. Today I will let you know how to make ice popsicles, which is also known as flavored ice. So it is super fast and easy recipe to make at home. So let's start. First we will take Ruah Afza. You can take Hamdard Ruah Afza, but I am taking the full can. Now add 2 to 3 spoons of Ruah Afza slowly. And now add 2 to 3 spoons of water. And mix it gradually so that there should be no lumps. We don't want to need any of the sugar as it contains sugar itself. Now add this mixture to the ice containers. You can use small cups as molds to make ice pops. So we all are aware of iced tea. Now I'm gonna make lemon iced tea here. We need 1 to 2 spoons of sugar, water and iced tea. So let's start. I have taken 1 to 2 spoons of lemon iced tea. Now add water gradually. Now mix it slowly. Here we can have some lumps, so make sure that there should be no lumps. Mix it according to it. See, the paste is getting so nice. Now add the mixture to the container and cover it with the lid. Add ice cream sticks to it. As we all are aware that this season is of jamun. So now let's start how to make popsicles with jamun. First take jamun, sugar and water. Sugar we are taking as jamuns are sour in taste, so I'm adding 2 to 3 spoons of sugar into it. So now let's start how to make the jamun popsicles. For this we have to take jamuns and cut them into pieces. See how I'm doing. As all the seeds should be out of that, so we can make a fine paste. Now we have to grind them into a mixture. Add all the jamuns to the grinder. Add 2 to 3 spoons of sugar according to your taste, and add little bit of water to make a smooth paste. Grind the mixture again, and I strained the jamun mixture and I will add it to the ice container. So much awaited recipe of mango popsicle. I've cut the mangoes into pieces and grind them and make a fine paste, and then I strained the mixture and add a little bit of water. The mixture is like this. It will be so light. Now I'm gonna add the mixture to the ice container. Slowly we will add the mixture, and I will cover it with foil paper. As if you don't have lid, you can use foil paper instead of the lid. Use a knife to make a small cut so that I can add the spoon. You can use any of the spoon. That I am using the ice cream spoon. Now it's time to keep the ice stand into the refrigerator for overnight. I have decorated the glasses just for presentation. It's optional, you can do any of the following. Now it's turn for the much awaited thing. We will demold the ice cream slowly. It's very tricky. It's our iced tea popsicle. See how refreshing it's look like. This is a jamun flavor ice cream. See, the presentation makes the popsicle more beautiful. Our presentation is going so nice. The droplets are going so nicely. Eat it immediately as it's a summer, so we don't want that it could melt and we can't eat the popsicle nicely. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.